Does anyone else have just random inspiration when you have no idea it was coming? I had this moment just yesterday. I said I'd go and take some photos of some products that my hairdresser is developing. These photos are here, and I just noticed the table. The table that I was using, or the worktop I was using, it looked incredible. It was pretty beaten up, it was well used, it had a nice coat of black paint on it, but it was chipping away just beautifully. And I saw those images and I thought, I've got to be able to do that myself. This is what I'm going to do. We've got an old chest that I've had for a while. When I was younger, I sprayed it in this really cool blue. So I'm hoping I can do a couple of things and make that look just as good, and then we'll hit it with some test shots. Let's try this. I'm filming in a bit of the spare room here so you can see stuff all over the place. We've got plants on the table. We've got an egg thing and some Parma violets, which I don't like. So what are we going to be putting in this shot that we've got planned? Well, some fake glasses. Let's get to work. Drill time. No battery. Should we take the top off to do it, or do it just where it is? Take the top off, or do it here. Still attached. We're taking it off, but I'm getting a battery. First up, get rid of this strange blue thing that I did 15 years ago. Sander time. I've been catching up on Harry Potter and here's a little trick for you. Angle change and outfit change. You thought the snap was going to be for the newspaper. What's up next? It's a wire brush. We're going to run the wire brush along with the grain, and that's going to make it look like it's been left out in the wild for about 150 years. No camera for this one though, and safety specs. We don't know what's going to be picked up off of this. Also, yes, next time I will have a mask while I'm doing that bit. There's an awful lot of blue dust, but it's already looking quite aged. Let's keep going. stain done. Now we wait. So that's it, end of day 1 done, and it's looking like this. A little bit more staining, a little bit more sanding. Day 2. Day 1 was very successful. I managed to make it look pretty cool. I did some extra sanding and some more staining, and this is how it looks. Done. Now, just the 4 sides to go. It's going to take a while. Looks so good. So good. So that's it, mission complete. We got the surface, we got the texture, and we got the photo. If you'd like to see more about the editing process, maybe that can be a video that we do later on. But for now, my name's Andrew. Sometimes I like wearing hats. Thanks for watching.